Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jeff with Marketwiz. Today we're going to talk about some new products that we're actually launching that just came out. It's kind of like a whole new product dump here, but I want to go over one of them specifically before the holidays, just so you guys can kind of see some of the capabilities, some new stuff. Um, and again, our products are completely unique and built from the ground up. So it's tough to kind of, compare us to other companies because, some might be cheaper, some might be more expensive, but we're a full marketing agency also. So we're not just like, hey, here's this tool, y- you know, have somebody do it. That's not us whatsoever. We basically have unique marketing products and we are a full marketing agency for, like medium to larger businesses. So we actually create the campaign and basically do everything. So that's why we're a little different. So with that in mind, you can have a lot of unfair advantages with our services because we have products that, like I said, are different. So if you're running, for instance, our Facebook Marketplace ranker, nobody has that yet. And if they are doing it, it's all manual, so they're just blowing all their time anyway. So they're, gonna get behind if they try to keep up. Another thing is, like one of our products that nobody has is this one here. This scans all of your active Facebook Marketplace messages, and then when a customer leaves a phone number or any other like important call to action, it will trigger a advanced automation that goes to a Google Sheet that we create and design, and then it basically sticks the lead right in there, and you could use it with your CRM or anything. But we even did another advanced automation on top of that. So not only will it scan your Facebook Marketplace personal Marketplace messages live, it will add them automatically to your custom Google Sheets, which your whole team has access to. But it, like I said, it doesn't stop there. It gets even crazier. Then it will launch a custom script that you probably saw part of it when I started the video. And what that does is that will notify every salesperson at the store or property manager if it's a real estate type deal or ads we're doing, which is it's pretty wild. So it will daily scan your, well, actually like hourly, scan your marketplace leads, automatically grab any phone numbers that the customers leave in there without you doing anything, share it to a Google sheet, and then actually automate that and then send out a live, email. Hey, this customer, we have a live customer. He dropped their phone number, and then your salespeople, property manager, whatever follows up. Nobody has that, and it could even send to multiple people at once. Let's say you have three salespeople, you have 10 salespeople. It'll send it to all of them. So people are off work, obviously, and then some are at work. So it will make sure everybody gets it, which is it's pretty cool. So nobody else has that product. Just like our AI marketplace posting system, Ad Posting Pro, nobody has that. It uses AI. All the other ones are like old software or like stuff that gets banned now. Um, our new one is this. Here's a brand new one that I want to talk about, which is it builds off of our Chat GPT-5, which we can also change models, so it's not like we're stuck with other ones, but we just like to use the newest ones and the most commonly used one as well. But we use custom agents inside of that, so it's a unique um, personal Facebook Marketplace responder and the custom code and how it talks to customers based on what we've done over the last 1 or 2 years with that, and also your business, your address, phone number, your pricing for your product, or real you know whatever it is, it's custom made for you now. So, but this is built on the back of that, which has already been out for a while now. I don't know. So if you don't know it, we have personal Facebook Marketplace. AI plugin where you don't even do anything; it just talks to people, and it's better than than your best salesperson. And if you want a demo of that, let us know. But what this does is this scans your AI conversations that are now in the personal Facebook marketplace. And if you're doing manual conversations now, you're like 1 or 2 years behind now. So this is all gonna be automated at some point, but it's very time consuming. Um, but what this does is this is on the backbone of that technology, and then it will actually scan your conversations, find ones that are favorable for you, and then actually auto request a Facebook Marketplace review. It also works for OfferUp. Craigslist doesn't have that feature yet. Nextdoor doesn't either. So it works off those two platforms. Mainly, obviously, you're here for the Facebook Marketplace one. And what it does is it ranks and boosts your marketplace accounts. And what that does is your ads get seen more. Number one, number two, just as important, you get more trust when people are looking to buy like $50,000 buildings or very expensive things or big leases or whatever. Maybe you list houses. If somebody is looking to buy a house and you have a 1-star review, they're probably gonna skip you, unfortunately. So if you're selling high ticket items, you need to have a powerful presence. And what this system does, which is brand new, that again, this is a product nobody has. So while every other marketing agency is selling like generic paid ads, generic SEO. Everybody else has it, and you're all just whatever. It's not working. These are unique AI marketing products that no one has. So it creates an unfair advantage for you, basically. Where if you're a furniture store in Chicago and your competitors aren't using this, all of your accounts are going to be 5 stars, and they're going to have like 2 stars probably. Not saying they'll all have 2 stars, but you see my point where in a competitive business environment, you want to have all the advantages that can, if you're a gamer, you would say you want the, cheat codes for business so you can make more money, obviously. So you could scan, this is on our website, just go to this is a new product, AI Marketplace listing section. Go to the bottom, Marketplace Ranker. You could view everything on it. We did some like mock kind of like how much money extra you can make by having a strong profile. 2.8 times more ad views. For a 4.8 or higher average seller. I mean even a 4.5 or 4.7, it works really good. And you can see how this works here. Um, timing kills conversion. It goes through like um, the math and also like what types of businesses this is perfect for, such as real estate, retail stores, car dealers, all sorts of stuff. You could look through this when you have a chance, but I just want to kind of show this for you. If you want to, this is pretty much comes with any of our packages, as a small fee. If you want it separate, it's like a couple $100 a month, and you could tie this into multiple accounts. So it's not like we're going to just say, oh, you get it for one account. We could do a couple for this price. It's fine. Um, we've got some frequently asked questions here, and you could, it's kind of like a long form, but this gives us more information so we can help you better. And this is stop being invisible on Facebook Marketplace. Kind of true. Um, okay, where did my footer go? That's an interesting thing. There's my footer. Yeah, I just updated my footer today, and yeah, this is a little bulky. I'm gonna have to tidy that up a little bit, but well, I got to go back to this and okay, that's interesting. So, um, yeah, that's funny. So anyways, let's go into just, I'll do one more quick one. We've had this AI voice agent thing here. We've updated it last week. It's pretty insane. It's, we added a whole demo feature here now. So if you want to look up a second kind of cool thing that works well, um, we have a whole built-in dashboard as well. So if you want to make a custom AI agent for your customer service or sales team that never sleeps and doesn't give you attitude, as they say, you could give this a demo here. This is set up to be our Marketwiz.Ai sales consultant. And honestly, what this does is this screens calls for me and lets me know if this is like a self-employed type of person or a actual real business. And so it saves me a lot of time by weeding out people that are trying to figure things out or start like a marketing company or so. I know it sounds crazy, but as opposed to like a real business. So this is really good for saving time and also increasing some sales. Um, so, like right here, average response time for a salesperson can be 1 or 2 days. This is 600 milliseconds. Um, and there's some info here as well. And now this is like going to be expensive. This is more expensive. Um, we could work on price, but I mean, designing a whole custom agent SMS and voice for your business requires, like hours and hours and going back and forth and perfecting it and updating it. So this is going to be for like larger small businesses that actually have a lot of customers that you would want to even use this. If you're just like a regular tiny, if you're like a tiny guy yourself or like two employees, you could probably handle all the calls. This is for like larger, smaller businesses, obviously. Um, and you could do really cool stuff with this. You could like book appointments with it. It will say, "Hey, let me send you a text," and it'll check your calendar that links up to it, so it can see like when you have appointments that are booked already, and then gives them options based on you. I mean, it could do crazy. You can do wild stuff now by doing custom code and custom functions. So we can customize this. I've been doing this a long time now. The past 2 years, I've been working on these custom AI agents. So we know how to set them up, the best models, the best platforms, the best um, features, and you could text. So I actually should add the text, the SMS flow as well, because you could check that down here. But I forgot to add that in here, which I will do when I get a chance. But yeah, this is Jeff with Marketwiz.ai. We have some new stuff out, so have a good holiday. And if you need some expert AI marketing for your business, let us know.